Hello guys, I hope you're well. So, a common topic that they like to ask in Gphc exams is infusion rates. So infusion rates generally, you will generally get a few different variations for infusion rates. So this is from the Pharmaceutical Journal, which they have a question where it's a great example of how the Gphc like to ask questions. So in this question, it's talking about total infusion duration in minutes, and they've given you the infusion rate in sort of different steps. And if I can, so generally with these questions, they'll give you different variations. They'll sometimes ask you infusion duration, then infusion rate, and that's a very, very important point. So here they're talking about infusion duration in minutes, and they're saying round your answer to the nearest whole minute. So in this question, your first step would be you have 5% WV, which mathematically means 5 grams out of 100 mils. So that's the first point. You have 50 kilograms, so 600 milligrams per kilogram, right? Then you do 600 milligrams times by 50, which is 30,000 milligrams, right? So afterwards you can convert that to, I would say keep it as milligrams. It's preferable to convert to grams actually. So we will have 30 grams, then you have 5 grams out of 100 mils. So because we have 30 grams in total, and there's 5 grams of 100 mils, that means you have 600 mil. So it should be, that would be, so 5 grams of 100 mils and 5 grams, that would be 600 mils in total. So that would be your total infusion duration would be 600 mils, right? So then you would need to sort of implement kilograms. So that would be 50 mils per hour. So 25 mils is your first one. Then 2 mils times 50, that's 100, plus 50 mils. Then you have 4 mils times 50, which is 100 mils as well. So you got 175 milliliters in 1.5 hours, right? So it wants the total infusion duration. So then you have 8 mils per kilogram per hour, right? So you would need to do 8 times 50, which will give you 400 milliliters per hour, and that will complete the infusion. So in the question, does it talk about anywhere, does it mention the total duration of time is what we're looking for here? So it wants the total infusion duration. So that's very, very good. So we've already mentioned we have 600 mils, and we've mentioned that we have 175 mils already. So 600 minus 175 is 425 mils. Then you have 8 times 50, which is 400 milliliters per hour. And then your remainder of your amount would be 45. So divided by 60. So you get 6.666. So that will be 6.66 mils per minute. So then you will do 45 divided by that. Oh yeah, so it says 300 mils per. Okay. So that'll be 5 mils per minute. 5 mils per minute divided by 5. That'll be 85 minutes. So 85 plus 90 will be 175 minutes. Yeah, which they got as well. So the answer is 175 minutes.